Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and we are heading up by Chappy Brown to make a visit and to bring him some grocery items from barrels that we would have received. Alright, and I want to use the opportunity to pick up our donors always. Thank you so much for your support. Whew.
Definitely.
I do hope so. Or else this walk would have been in vain. This is where I rest.
This is where I rest.
Yeah, man.
I drop off a tree. I drop off a tree. Long time when I come up here, so the place get dark. Bush up.
Long time. Him leave him spray pan or going so.
Huh?
He spray pan.
Long time back there, so.
Ah.
Same pumpkin drop off.
I mean, I think him there and I came door them lock.
What's it over there, so?
Yeah, see him down there, so. Him in the farm. Wow.
Where are ugly up the ground for? Where are ugly up the ground for? Eh? Where they are ugly up the ground for?
Ugly up, man.
But there, where I deal with? You know?
Likkle again.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, go on.
There. Go check for you, say a long time.
Hi, boy. You know. Let me see, sun gets hot, if we can't put that away, I can't if we can't see them again, we just dig them up, so we if them good.
They look good.
Eh?
They look good.
They look good.
Look like it's about 30 since morning.
Eh?
Chappy Brown.
I'll go on that.
Not much of your pants.
Eh?
Where your pants say?
You want to see up and sell it, me go look a better, you know.
A shot that.
Yes, the next one I wait up in the water boot, so sell one, you know.
Okay. Wow.
I want to tell you.
How much you made dig since morning?
You know, say, me no know.
You just a dig some.
Just a dig some, you mean.
Yeah, go on good though, man.
Eh? Give thanks, man. So it's done, you know.
Look like the soil soft too.
Not so bad. Not so bad.
So what go on otherwise?
Kind of rough, but you know, you go.
Yeah.
Give thanks to him, yeah. I do.
We're bringing some groceries, but we left them up the south where the steel there.
Yeah.
The mango set them up.
You see me mash yet?
Yeah, I think I just saw it. Oh, see it here.
Oh, yes, sir.
The way over here, so. Oh.
It's a big yam left somewhere in the ground, but I know if I find him again.
Yeah, go.
Oh.
Eh?
Yeah, go find him.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
Eh.
So
So did you have me?
don't know how to come.
You don't work cause we come.
If you see how you dig your mill, man, how you talk?
So if we didn't know, say go we not come so early.
Sneak up on you. Listen, you know.
So Choppy,
Yeah.
we get barrels from our donors, so we pack a bag for you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, you give thanks, man.
Yeah, man. Choppy saying don't work, you know.
You know, look you up, you come right away for. Me, I just a roll, I may want to put in still, you know. I'm kind of belly kind of get
Hungry.
like you want something similar. Try that roll, yeah.
When we see how you padlock up the door, we say you're not there.
Yeah, man, yeah. Sometimes you have to just lock up the place, because you don't even know when somebody come there, you don't even know.
So what happened to your phone?
So I tell you, man, from the time my phone is blank out and the battery dead.
Oh. So Choppy, are you dig all of yam hill them over the side here?
Yeah.
And plant yam yourself?
I know for me, I'm going this.
Which one are yours? Oh, this one in on yours?
No, I just I did couple for them and see.
Okay, okay.
I buy one gas fan yesterday.
Oh.
So me,
Tell gas?
give me money, man.
Oh, so you,
I'ma get
okay.
Buy one gas yesterday, because gas one was from last week.
Okay.
So we are going to see yam them, man. I know we will see yam them.
So put on the hill?
So yam, couple pot yam in I go.
Oh.
I go find them over the side.
But they asked them and to piece I am the other day and he said tomorrow.
They might be good.
I'll know that tomorrow.
Tomorrow come here.
See him. So you can't tell, so me dep on the farm today.
He just, pass the van out the road.
No? Can we come for up on Navy?
Oh. Me hear like if one come from around and one going around so. And somebody come and call me, I say I'm so like a one and brother-in-law.
Oh.
So we come up there so me look for yam and come look around up yam.
Yeah, more up is still.
Eh?
Yeah, more.
Yes, put up that pan him.
The Choppy, where your other water boat there, see that they want the burst?
Yeah, up a yard man, but you see too. Then walk your bus up the water boat them fast, you know.
Okay.
So it's like a rain no fall now. Just happy in the the old one. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Happy in the old one a few times. When the rain fall now,
Where the other one?
aye, cause you know, wet up and mud up the foot. It's one ground still. Get some here. It's hot right now, it smells bad, you know. Can't take off, you know. Let's take off.
Sleeping night tonight.
Let me take off here, I know you run. You know? Take off here as much as you see it here, so if you take off here, I know you run. I tell you. Wow. How that look now?
Look like you just make one.
You make like you make.
Me now me have to use my hand and take up the chop on it.
You have to use this yo. This stay. Funny way, that's my hand come around, so you know you must did it.
You did it, man.
Alright. Did it, you know?
Yeah, go on good Choppy. Nice hot sun here. See, you get some
You have
shade,
to
you
try
know.
a thing sometime, you know? I tell me left me go and come and help still, because say you want the money, so
Yeah.
pitch up $1 still, yeah. Right now, catch down Jackson Town.
You want to do what?
Catch down Jackson Town again, yeah.
I went down there this time.
A taxi's down there, Army. Taxi's down there.
Oh.
So I say, I catch down there one again, there. I tell Ziggy, I'm line up also. More. I'm here. Student take my paper them out of the house, you know. Kind of fall back.
You have to duck and see another hill there?
And now we get bun. Come on, I'm down here, I'm dick them. You see some more catch down the pan. Move.
Then I start yours.
Yeah, man. Ziggy had yourself on last week Friday. Ziggy come and gone and I give him a $2 to buy one bag one spray gun. I know he not come back. Me I know what my finger and work.
You want make up your money, man?
$2,000
can't buy nothing.
$2,000 man. I sorry man. So,
Marcel, you know that plant here? You know that plant here, Marcel?
eh?
I make you smell it, Choppy. I know it, I know the scent.
It smell high.
But me just remember where they use it for.
I mean, I remember you know what a most cold bush. When you smell it, you know it's a cold bush.
See it here, Choppy.
I remember in here. No, say I chat talk fire.
Oh, cold bush?
Yeah.
Oh,
Good.
I name of it, but it smells really good.
That way name, you know. But you boil it, just dry and boil it. When you dry.
Somebody will tell you when you.
I remember in here, man, but
I have one apple.
up where I live.
I don't have my phone with me.
I you know, promise no.
I keep looking at it, because I know I see it already.
Yeah.
Will they promise a phone? Or no, me or Marcel?
Yeah, I'm saying, get one phone.
Oh boy.
And you just say, I'll get children, I say, I'll get one.
Yeah.
And that one. When I come down, when I farm go, when I go up there, June 25th. I go up there. I don't hear from him neither for me come down for me, never no phone to call him back.
Oh.
I actually gave him here for him. You remember when he said?
I don't have my too close to your foot.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh.
Ah, just me one. Yes, that what I did 30 cents morning, about 6 roll this morning. This morning. And gave me 225 another bed.
Yeah.
I gave me a 3-day morning to save me spot out.
Oh. I almost reach the end of this part already.
Eh?
You almost reach the end.
The last one, not this time.
Yeah, but I go to one, go to long way.
Okay.
No, I'll go up a tree. Right out the say go.
Oh.
So tomorrow I'll see you here. I'll go and squeeze it. What's left? One?
I want no person.
Yeah. That one up.
Another one.
Another one part of this, right?
I want to lean from the mango tree.
That one?
Yeah.
What is it? Yeah.
So me pass it.
But that this one I know road.
Yeah, no. Oh, that's right.
Oh yeah, that's you from. I know don't say hill there.
I want me, I want to show you fine that hill.
So oh, so you can say down. Someone did it.
I bury them up, sir. But I have to search for them.
All and that.
I'll break it out.
I say, me look at this now. And I have to go back again.
Oh. Choppy, I dig in, I like him, I see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Yeah, glimpse, you know. Yeah, glimpse.
Oh, okay.
But me nah really see. No, it's still what my glimpse still when me jam on.
And dig up the dirt.
Yes, me know it already, you know, man. God, a long time I do it. God, I know it. I may never know when I couldn't do it.
Yes.
I tell you, when me come on, when me see say I gone, you know, I come to town. When I come from town, I say, Ziggy, well, one thing me know, you know, me know me can't see if you do nothing, you know. I can't paint. I can't hear me no pipe. I can't do nothing. Hear me among one thing I can't do myself. Just give me a ease as I can green see a meal.
Yeah.
Yeah, she see I dig a meal. See what I say? I believe you here. You know what I say? Since I was sick. I went 2020. The boy shot me. After that, I go do one surgery at Falmouth. The plaster upon my side and I go a whole lot of going, you know. And plaster right just upon my side and I go a whole lot of going for them, man.
Yeah.
But 1,000 of them I dig off a whole lot for them, man.
Yeah.
With the plaster upon my side, see you.
Wow.
Right just I did it, but I don't know how I do it, but I do it. Yeah.
Oh, you said you get it chopped there?
And I did go cut one bump did.
Oh.
One bump did upon my side about 22 years. They pull the front teeth them. And me and the youth them up and run up and wash up with it. And so me no want the nigga took them now, me hide in my way. And nigga is left on the bench out there. Run so me hide it in my way.
Yeah, me go down in a hill there.
Me no want to joke them. When you realize we did a rump, no me joke. And me joke, you know, we did it for a couple of years. See when the bump start come up.
Oh.
Did it come up there. Why it looks so terrible on my side. Ziggy said me to go cut it.
Okay.
But the surgery for him, big old bump, you know, when it come off, I about 1/2 pound of meat.
Really?
1/2 pound of meat. When Dr. Chappy in the place, 1 pound me here, bam. Yeah, me that's about 1/2 pound. Big, you know. How many the surgeon come out and never hurt me more so far. Which part today? Alright, yes, so. Right, yes, right, yes, so. Never too trouble me.
Okay.
I go and do the same way until you get better.
So what kind of needle that joke you and cause that this something?
No teeth. One needle and pull first teeth, then I pull 2 front teeth or 3 front teeth. I'll no piece of teeth and I go. So I'm 26 years now. And I front. Me know about put plate.
You want some more of our next corner?
Over there?
Yeah.
Can't answer.
Ugly. You look like handicap.
Sometimes I have to get one handicap one to the one. Sometimes I have to get one handicap one to everything. Yeah. One said, that's all. Big couple more.
The right couple.
Yes, that one looks so bad.
I'll find the shade.
You know, big man, you see big and you don't course. Boss, I say, a sympathy for that one. I don't course and big. I was there in my run by. One day in last week, when I find out what is something I dig too. I'm not, let me see, I don't have no, he said I don't have no phone to call, you know.
You never always get call.
We don't have no phone to call it.
So go to somebody and beg them to call you.
So, you know, sometimes it's the one.
Oh.
And good day, me and mostly. If me see me sometimes man say they don't have no credit. And Likkle they already never say no have no credit. And me say, yeah, you know here from Sheldon. Man say 2 head you want to plant.
Show them up.
Want to plant 2 head. Want to plant 2 head in a hill. But what chop up? One of them. When we went see them, they went by. Oh, they go and go over to them, so a couple of them. Sometimes bomb too, you know.
You have to do what?
Yeah. Yeah, we heal too, so I can.
What that mean?
I didn't say they know the good.
Oh.
In middle staff still.
Yeah, if I start up, he me go. No, nothing can do it. First I say we bomb, we have me limb. I turn him one. The woman a Westmoreland. You hear me?
I can't draw that is stick now.
You hear the woman a Westmoreland? The woman dead 3 years now from 2000. From 2000.
Oh, that one.
And he pastor give him advice. I know what message pastor sent since last week to this week. So they must say, they can't, anybody know, pastor can't get there, lock up the 2 women and give them, charge them to. One is wicked, no sense. Both them are go God a resurrection. Them are going to rise again. Them are going to rise, you can't dead, them are going to rise again. Better glad if you're not dead. Glad if you're not dead, man. You're dead, you're dead. That's you.
Man, dead.
You're dead. Glad if you're not dead, man. The way you're going to rise again. Have him on that top all in a baking soda and sun and
that's much they have there.
wow, cure him up. Baking soda and sun. I want a woman family. Pass there and see him. And walk up on him and call police for him. Oh, what's that?
Groceries. Everything I done the
Yeah, I did the last one. One more day I watch candy going on the back of me. Pass it.
Out in a road, so?
Pass one. Up one of this one. Because I go up here.
Oh.
So this can't answer you?
Big grassroots step on top of him.
You can't answer?
Yeah, one big grassroots on top of a hill and it's a coffee.
Hey, yeah, supervisor.
Alright, man, and spray. Oh, J up.
Chop that funny and I hear that.
Look this one, no?
Good. And I can put 3 heads in another hill.
See, quite big. First never get them around me, that's so big. Come on,
that's where they make you do them, sir?
Come on here, say nothing. All of them big, man.
Yeah, man, they're not for seeing them, man.
Yeah, man, he say one of them big. And one man can come here, come dig them, and he say one of them big, but he know dig them big. Well, like him. Come here. That's all me kissing, so. 10 o'clock in the 100. And Calic and gone.
Yeah.
I see one head there.
2 more heads there, right in front of it.
And I need to put out of it. It's not a gum.
You want to take your foot on the stick?
Yeah, reach it.
Yeah, I do.
I pick two here.
You pick where you not see? Yeah, come here.
Yeah, when time we go to here, I wonder if we can find one chop long come and I brush long come so I go so.
I pick one for this. This feel like it fit it tough.
And I go so I see 1 and 2 in one shot me so. When I look at me see look here here. I top out and it will fit.
Yeah. Then but it never big, not so.
Yeah, so big.
How are you plant down in I got a choppy?
You go.
I see a drumstick down in there.
I just saw 2 big mango seeds me there. Yeah.
Oh, they look like it fit. It's fit, I look like Likkle. Feely. Yellow. Oh, so one stick clean up in a tree. Oh, yeah, yam stick.
Take him on and see if you can pick it now.
No, you wrap up yam span already.
Wait.
Oh, I know you're wrappy, but it'll run up on it.
Where am I?
See it here, so. Come find another hill long here, so.
He'll dig already.
Yeah, man, then I'm not planting there.
6 days for buy.
You want some stick, man?
Okay. Not to a man want to say one. Not to 60 buy. I'm going to root a bamboo. I think I can't sell them yet because I know which part.
How much 100 for bamboo?
Yeah.
So you want to call Ziggy?
I send message from to me already. I can say me have bamboo up top side yard. But I can't sell them. I can't sell them. But out as I know, Ziggy don't jam out and cut some cargo wires up where I'm saying alright. I have 90 years already. I have about 30 people ahead. But instead of one bamboo root up every enough bamboo, never cut last year, so my buy it, you want to buy it. Those. So I'm just selling. Since I'm selling what I have here for the year to get on. So I'm have to take my way out.
Watch your head. I want decent size one that choppy.
Most bigger one.
Yeah, big one up in there. But I not climb no tree.
But too good.
Right now if we not get no more we alright.
No more.
We not make no porridge. Hold that one. Where I walk? So we have to come down and come down if you walk this way.
Yeah.
One big one this.
Monster breadfruit.
I told you.
I must pick up. I can't pick the fruit already. I want the man from Manchester taking scream it.
More up there, man. That's one big one there too.
So our next one.
Take down that big one there.
I think you said too good, Marcel.
On Friday.
You're supposed to say that the big one.
That's it. Huh? I can't tell me say no big one.
Oh man.
It stick now go picky.
Stick now go pick it.
No, cause it stem catch pan it take the far up.
Oh.
Far down.
Yeah, it's
So we are gonna left that one day, it's alright.
I want to have to put us out.
Make it done. May I bill?
Look so. And camera so. Can't even find it.
It's short. It's alright, make it stay.
Just push up in the one.
You can't
It
catch
not
it, you
reach
can't
up
reach up
there.
there. can't reach.
Stick no reach up there. Too short. No, sir, alright.
Try one more beside this one.
No, sir, chop it easy.
We have a drop off, man. We have a time to drop off every time.
Oh.
You want to tie that pan it?
Yeah, this one I use.
Then that no short man. See me can.
This is I use first.
See me. No man, see long one here. So first one.
Give me. The first one.
See long one here. That's longer than the last one you can come.
And you can't reach. When you get this then.
Oh, hold on. You can't reach, man. I have to go up on the tops. I want to my youth to get height. Yeah?
Right it up my eye.
Up there, so if you come.
I said that you can't reach.
Let's see if I can.
You buy 3 tall, you know.
You know, say, it had me to chop out. I mean, it goes so fast as I go, God no.
God,
Catch
no,
it
God,
now.
no.
It's so quick, I don't even know.
Don't even know if I see it.
Since he grew up, I try to see beer.
You just see it?
I'm looking for it.
You see it?
Wait. It looks so, look like me see it. Yay!
We stand
I have to come on the height. Where you stay under breadfruit. And that's so.
The breadfruit almost get left this morning.
But you never go pay him no mind. Yeah.
Whoa.
Huh?
Wow.
Yeah?
Big. Hold it up. Look at that, guys. Nice breadfruit.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Eh? Yes, Tin.
Well, Choppy breadfruit there. Him have it? Choppy, you have your breadfruit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, you can't take it. We have enough. You want one more?
More?
No, sir.
So we ask him same time. They say we coward.
Coward if you eat breadfruit?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
When I go here, yard, you know, I turn back. We have too much something to carry.
We live.
I tie back with it.
All right, people then we live.
Chappy give you 1 bag of yam.
All right, people then we live for ancient years. When I covered, I eat breadfruit. How we go?
But you never used to see them eat it.
Oh, you mean then a breadfruit Columbus can come?
Time can come here?
And then say, CC in a stem.
The time when he can come here, nobody never get trouble, so they would not be afraid.
Stem a CC in it, you know.
See in there?
Yeah.
So you see it stand for Columbus?
Yeah,
Yeah?
Columbus.
They get your foolishness.
Thank you, Choppy. God bless you. Guys, we get yam, we get breadfruit galore. Bless up to Choppy as usual. Yes, man. Alright, guys.
August, me want to take out the foundation.
Yes, yes.
Tomorrow, August.
No August yet. Oh, you see that Choppy on par. Alright everyone, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much to everyone for your continued support. Thanks to all our donors. And until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye-bye. Yeah man.
Chappy Brown.